Hello, children. Welcome to Rai Tuition Classes. We are doing right circular cylinder, children. Now, what is a right circular cylinder? Okay, you can see here, children, a solid figure which has one curved surface and two round surfaces on top and bottom. We call it as a right circular cylinder. A solid figure which is bounded by one curved surface, a curved surface, और दो राउंड सर्फेस उसको बोलते हैं राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर। राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर का बेस रेडियस आर है और एक हाइट एच है। इट हैज गॉट अ हाइट एच। It has got a height edge. So this curved surface area, I would like to get the curved surface area. So this curved surface area is given by the formula 2 pi RH. Curve surface area is given by the formula 2 pi RH. Now let us try to understand how I got this formula. Just an idea, children. I'm not saying. Just here. Suppose you have got a rectangular piece of paper. You have got a rectangular piece of paper. I'm calling it as a rectangular piece of paper. Calling it as a rectangular piece of paper. Okay. Now this rectangular piece of paper has a length L and breadth B. Okay. So what is the area of the paper, children? Area of paper will be naturally length into breadth. This is what you learn, length into breadth. Okay. Area of this paper, because it's rectangular in shape, area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So area of this paper is length into breadth. Now I'm telling you, you just try to fold this edge. Please try to understand. You fold this edge over this edge. You fold this edge over this edge. This edge, you try to fold it, okay, try to fold it over the other edge, children. Got it? Try to fold it over the other edge, children. Okay? Now, what will happen, children? Please keep in your mind. This will form a right, it will become the surface of the paper becomes a curved surface of the cylinder. It becomes a curved surface of the cylinder. The surface of the paper, you're folding this edge over this edge. When you fold this edge over this edge, this whole paper, the surface of the paper becomes a curved surface of the cylinder. मतलब एरिया ऑफ द पेपर क्या बन गया बेटा? कर्व सरफेस बाय एरिया बन गया। और ये लेंथ है ना, लेंथ लेंथ का शेप क्या हो गया इधर? लेंथ का शेप क्या हो गया? सरकमफ्रेंस बन गया। लेंथ, ये रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ है ना, ये क्या बन गया? पेपर का गोल बन गया, सरकमफ्रेंस बन गया। सरकमफ्रेंस, सरकमफ्रेंस, ओके। और ये जो ब्रेथ है ना, ब्रेथ, ये जो ब्रेथ है, ब्रेथ क्या बन गया? हाइट बन गया। ब्रेथ क्या बन गया? हाइट बन गया। Circumference को 2 pi r बोलते हैं बेटा। 2 circumference of circle is given by the formula 2 pi r into h. So naturally, curved surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r h. I hope people get an idea about it. Okay, but very simple. So curved surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r h. Then there are got totally three surfaces are there. One curved surface, top round surface, bottom round surface. So if I want the area of all the three surfaces, I call it as total surface area. I call it as total surface area. Now, total surface area will be this curved surface area, okay, plus the upper round surface. Upper round surface is a circle. So it is area of circle. What it is, area of circle is pi r square. The bottom round surface and the top round surface are identical. So अगर ऊपर का circular face का area pi r square है, नीचे का भी pi r square आएगा. Okay, so when I simplify this 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. Now 2 is common, pi is common, r is common. So here only h will remain, and from here, actually 2 pi r square was 2 pi r into r. So 2 pi r has come out, so 1 r will remain. So total surface area is given by the formula 2 pi r h plus r. So curved surface area 2 pi r h. Total surface area 2 pi r h plus r. याद रखने के लिए कैसा? कर्व सरफेस एरिया छोटा है 2 पाई आर एच, टोटल सरफेस एरिया बड़ा है, बड़ा नंबर है, तीन सरफेसेस के एरिया है, इसके लिए सेम 2 सेम पाई सेम आर। इधर कर्व सरफेस एरिया में एच अकेला है, इधर एच प्लस आर हो जाएगा, तो के बड़ा नंबर बन जाए। So curl surface area is given by the formula 2 pi RH. The total surface area is 2 pi r. Bada number mangta hai to h plus r. Got it? Then children, remember the volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is area of the base. That is, the base is a circle, children. The base is a circle, okay, into height, okay. Base is a circle. What is the area of circle? Pi r square h. Height is h. The area for volume of a cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h. So these are the three formulas you should know for right circular cylinder. We start with the sums of it, children. We start with the sums of cylinder. The radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 20 centimeter and its height is 13 centimeter. The radius of the base of a right circular cylinder, right? We are talking about a right circular cylinder. So I'll say for right circular cylinder, right circular cylinder, for right circular cylinder, okay? Now what is giving children? The radius of the base of a right circular cylinder is 20 centimeter. Radius is 20 centimeter. You can see that the radius is given as 20 centimeter. Radius r is 20 centimeter. And its height is 13 centimeter. H is 13 centimeter. I hope people can understand what is a cylinder, children. Just a rough figure. A cylinder, children, here. Just rough. Okay, this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. I'm sorry. Can't draw it better than this. Radius is 20 and height is 13. Radius is how much, children? This radius is 20 and height is 20 centimeter and height is 13 centimeter. Okay. Now, what they want me to find? Find its curl surface area and total surface area. So, what is curl surface area, children? First, curl surface area. Curl surface area is given by the formula, children. Curl surface area equal 2 pi r h. So 2 into, since pi's value, they mentioned it in the question as 3.14. They mentioned it down, okay? 3.14. So naturally, you have to take the value of pi as 3.14 into radius is 20 into height is 13. Now, not to struggle, children. It's so simple. This is 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. Now, this 6.28, if I multiply by 20, got it, with 0, first 0 ka 0 aa gaya. 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 6 are 12. कितना डिजिट है डेसिमल के बाद ऊपर एक दो तो इधर भी नीचे भी डेसिमल के बाद दो डिजिट्स रहने चाहिए so it becomes 25.26 okay 6.28 into 20 now again multiplied by 13 so how much you get 3 zeros are 0 3 6 are 18 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 3 2s are 6 6 plus 1 7 3 1s are 3 then 1 zeros are 0, 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are. Now, when I add them, how much you get, children? 0, 8, 6, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 8 plus 5, 13, 3 plus 3, 6, 1. So, what I get, and how many digits are there after decimal? 1, 2. So, this should be the answer. So, what happens? 16,1632.80 square centimeter. Okay, I hope people have understood me. Very simple, children. I don't think it is difficult. This is 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5. Okay. 1 2 5 6. Okay, right, it is 1 2 5 6 into 13. So this is the answer you get. Okay, so what is the answer, children? Here you can see this calculation. This is the answer. Okay, we go to the next sum, children. We go to the next sum. Then find total surface area also, children. I forgot. I said next one. But total surface area. Total surface area is given by the formula, children. Total surface area is given by the formula. It has to be a bigger number than this 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h अकेला ऊपर तो इधर h plus r कर दूंगा. Okay. So what will happen now? 2 into 3.14. Okay. Into radius is how much, children? 20 into h plus r. H is how much, children? 13 plus 20. So what will happen, children? 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. 6.28 into 20 into 33. So 6.28 into 20 kitna aega beta? You can do it orally. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 6s are 12. Okay? 2 digits after decimal into 33. So now when you multiply, very easy. 125.60 multiplied by 33. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. 3 5s are 15. Plus 1 16. 3 2 are 6 7. 3 1s are 3. The same. Again multiply by the same thing. I'm going to repeat. Leaving one digit 0, 8, 6, 7, 3. And when I add, I get the answer 0, 8, 14, 14, 11, 4. So what I get, children? 4, 1, double 4, 0.80, because 2 digits after decimal. Okay, this is your total surface area. This is your total surface area, children. Now, really, this is over, children. The question is over. You have to find these two things. Find its curve surface area. I got curve surface area. Find total surface area. I got total surface area. Yes, now really can move to the next question, children. The next question is very simple, children. We move to the next question now. Question number 8. Question 8, children. Very simple sum. Curve surface area of a cylinder. Again, we are talking about a cylinder. So naturally, how am I going to write? I'm going to write for a cylinder, and write everything in short. Okay, now what is given, children? For a cylinder, here it's given to us as the height, curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area, curved surface area. Curved surface area कितना दिया है बेटा इधर? 1980, 1980 centimeter square. Radius of the base, R is, how much is it is given as 15 centimeter. R is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder. And pi's value, you should take it as 22 upon 7. So naturally, there is no formula for height, but then a curved surface area is given and curved surface area का formula है. So that itself is a hint. आपको curved surface area का formula use करना है. Curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to, children, कितना आएगा बेटा? 2 pi r h. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. 1980 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 15 into h. So what will happen, children? This 1980 into the 7, I want the value of h. So 7 will go up, whereas whatever numbers are there on top with h will come down. 2 into 22 into 15. And what will remain here? H will remain, okay? नीचे h मांगता था तो 7 नीचे है, ऊपर गया 2, 22 and 15 will come down. Now do the cancellation, better. 11 2 times. 11 1 time 11. 8 बच गया, remainder 88. 11 8 88 0. Okay. Again 2 1s, 2 90s. Okay. 15 1s, 15 6. 2 1s, 2 3s. So what is remaining? Everything got cancelled. Is a 3 and 7. So h is equal to 21 centimeter. H is equal to 21 centimeter. Very simple sum, children. Very easy sum. We go to the next question, children, now. Now, problem set. Question number one, children. Okay, if a diameter of a road ruler is 0.9 meter, diameter of a road ruler, see road ruler, I just drawn a rough picture of it, children. You can see that this is a road ruler. If a diameter of it, diameter is 0.9 meter. Okay, diameter is 0.9 meter. And its length, because cylinder normally standing रहता है. Now here the cylinder is horizontal. So they use the word length here, but that is my height only, nothing but height of the cylinder only. 1.4 meter. Are you getting me here? It's nothing but length is h. The only thing is the cylinder is horizontal. Are you getting me? A roller is always horizontal. So they'll use the word length, but length is nothing but height. Okay, h. So remember, we write it in short. For a road roller, they are giving the diameter equal. How much they are given diameter equal? 0.9 meter. If diameter is 0.9 meter, radius is half the diameter. Okay, radius is half the diameter. So it will become half into 0.9. Now, children, I'm not going to do anything much. I just write it as 0.9 upon 2. Okay. Then h, length of the cylinder. I told you this should be taken as h. Length of the cylinder is 1.4 meter. Now remember, children, if this part of the roller is in contact with the ground. This part of the roller is in contact with the ground. Please have a look at this. This part of the roller is in contact with the ground. This part of the roller is in contact with the ground. I marked it green color. Okay. Now, when I rotate the roller, जब हम लोग रोटेट करेंगे रोलर को, रोलर आगे आएगा, फिर से वही पार्ट रोलर आगे आता है, फिर से जैसे वही पार्ट रोलर का आगे आएगा, ओके, ये कांटेक्ट में आएगा ग्राउंड का, द ग्रीन पार्ट, आई स्टॉप इट. So naturally, what happened, children? This much area gets pressed. This much area gets pressed. What? This much area has got pressed, I'll say. This much area has got pressed. This much area has got pressed. रोलर के कारण रोलर को मैं घुमाऊंगा, जैसे वो ग्रीन पार्ट फिर से कांटेक्ट में आएगा ग्राउंड को, तो मैं स्टॉप करता हूं. तो मैंने एग्जैक्टली वन रिवॉल्यूशन दिया है. मैंने एग्जैक्टली वन रिवॉल्यूशन दिया है. इन दैट वन रिवॉल्यूशन the area that gets pressed is this much. A small rectangle you can see here. Don't agree it's equal to curve surface area. मतलब एक रोटेशन में एरिया प्रेस वन कर्व सरफेस एरिया, दो रोटेशन में टू कर्व सरफेस एरिया, तीन रोटेशन में थ्री टाइम्स कर्व सरफेस एरिया, 500 रोटेशन में 500 into curve surface area. So how much area of the field gets pressed? The area of the field pressed, area of field pressed will be equal to, children, number of rotation. Please understand this, okay? Very important sum. Surely it will come. Number of rotation into curve surface area, into curve surface area. Number of rotation into curve surface area. What is number of rotation, children? Number of rotation is 500 into curve surface area 2 pi r h. Okay, 500 into 2 into pi is how much? 22 upon 7. They are not mentioned the value of pi, children. I should take it as 22 upon 7. Radius is 0.9 upon 2. And height is how much? 1.4. Now look here, children. This two, now I'll cancel, okay, certain things. Okay, एक बात 500, okay, एक minute, into 2, into 22 upon 7. Problem here, decimal number, I shifted by one place to the right. So 9 हो जाएगा upon that 0, I should put 10 in the denominator. 14, I one decimal, 1.4 का decimal shift किया. 14 upon 10 हो गया, children. Now you can see the cancellations 22 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 0. Please here Z1 0 gets cut with the 500 ka 1 0. Another 0 cuts with 500 ka. And then 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what is remaining on top? 5 into 22 into 9 into 10 into 2. So 2 fives are 10. Okay, what will happen here? You can see here. This will become 9 to the 80, 1980 square meter. So how much land will get pressed by its 500 revolutions is 1980 square meter. Very important sum. I hope everybody understood it. We go to the next sum, children. Okay, we go to the next sum. Problem set, question number 9, children. First, we did question number 1, and now I'm straight away coming to question number 9 because the sum is almost the same, okay? Only different numbers, the identical sums with different numbers. The length of a road roller, again, we are talking about road roller. You can see I just drawn a picture of a road roller. The length of a road roller is 2.1 meter. The length of a road roller is 2.1 meter. See here, children, I told you, a road roller is a cylinder. Only thing is, children, the cylinder is kept horizontal. So when they use the word length, this length is nothing but the, what you can say, height of the cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder, children? 2.1 meter, okay? They're given the height. And its diameter. What is the diameter given to you, children? 1.4. So we can easily find the radius. Now, for leveling, 500 rotations were given. How many rotations are given? 500 rollers. 500 rotations were given. And how much area of the ground was leveled by the road roller? How much area of the ground was leveled by the road roller? Such a simple sum, children. So I'll just write it. First part of the question it is, I'll just write it down for a, okay, they called it as a road roller only, for a road roller. Okay, but they're using it for leveling the ground. They're using it for leveling the ground. Okay, what is given, children? Diameter equal 1.4 meter. So radius equal r equal half into diameter equal half into 1.4. That is, if you want, you can write it as 1.4 upon 2 meter. Okay. What is the length given? Length is given as 2.1 meter. And now, how much, first part of the question is how much area of the ground was leveled? The area of ground leveled is equal to how much it will be? Number of rotation into 2 pi RH. Yeah, 2 pi RH. Number of rotation, please keep in your mind, number of rotation N was 500. Number of rotation is given 500. N is number of rotation. Okay? Number of rotation. Okay, I'll write it down. Children, it doesn't matter. Little जगह कम पड़ जाएगा हम लोग को sum solve करने में. N is number of rotation. N is number of rotation. Number of rotation given was 500, children. So now, what is the formula, children? Area of the ground leveled is number of rotation into 2 pi RH. N is 500 into 2. Pi's value is not given. I'm going to take 22 upon 7. Radius is 1.4 upon 2. अगर decimal को shift किया by 1 place, नीचे 0. So 14 upon 20 लिख दूंगा, okay? Into height. H कितना है? 2.1. Decimal को shift किया by 1 place, so 21 upon 10. Okay? Now you can see 0, 1, 0, 10 का 500 का 0 का साथ का दूसरा 0 भी 500 का साथ. Then this 2 ones are, this 2 ones are, 7 ones are, 7 twos are. Now you can see what is 5 into 22 into 2 into 21. So what is the answer you'll get, children? 5 twos are 10. 10 into 22 is 220. 220 multiplied by 21 will be 220, then 0, 4, 4. So how much you get, children? 0, 2, 6, 4, 6, 2, 0. 4, 6, 2, 0 square meter. So what is the area of the ground level, children? Area of the ground level is n into 2 pi RH. N into 2 pi RH. Area of the, I'll just write down once again the formula, children. And just because the space problem was there. What is the number of rotation, children? N was number of rotation. Number of rotation was number of rotation. Kitna tha beta? 500. Okay. What is the formula for area of the ground? What they want? Area of the ground leveled. Area of ground leveled. Area of ground leveled was, formula was N into 2 pi R H. N into 2 pi R H. Then you substitute the values, you got the answer. Okay. The second part of the question, just have a look here. What are given? Find the cost of leveling at the rate of ₹7. 1 square meter को प्लीज have a look here. ₹7 लगा तो 4620 स्क्वायर मीटर को लेवल करने के लिए कितना लगा? So cost of leveling, see, rate of leveling was, please have a look here, ₹7 per square meter, ₹7 per square meter. Okay. So cost of leveling will be how much, children? Area leveled into rate. Area leveled into rate of it. So how much was the area leveled, children? 4620 into rate ₹7. So how much you get? 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14. 42, 43. 10 fours are 28, 32. So 32,340 rupees. Okay. Cost of leveling will be 32,340. So I don't think this is a simple, easy question, children. I don't think it's difficult. Okay. I'm sure everybody got it. We go to the next sum, children. Problem set, question number 8, children. The inner diameter of a well is 4.20 meter. I'm talking about a well now. A well is always cylindrical in shape. Okay, a well is always cylindrical in shape. So naturally, a well is nothing but a cylinder. Okay, well is nothing but a cylinder for us. Okay, when you try to solve something. Now look here. The inner diameter of the well is 4.20 meter. Inner diameter. I'm talking about diameter of the well is always inner diameter. The inner diameter is 4.20 meter. So naturally, radius will be half of 4.2. How much I get, children? 2.1 meter. So we know the radius of the well. And its depth. Depth is nothing but height. Okay, how much is the depth of the well? 10 meter. Find the inner surface area of the well. Now, when I talk about inner surface area of the well, children, I'll talk only about the curved surface. So inner surface area of the well, inner surface area of a well is nothing but curved surface area of the well. Curved surface area. Okay. Now कर्व सरफेस एरिया, क्योंकि बेस में, वेल का बेस में से पानी निकलता है तो उसको एरिया में नहीं गिनेंगे हम लोग. इनर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेल इज कर्व सरफेस एरिया, दैट इज 2 pi RH. Okay, 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.1. That can I write 2.1 into depth is again 10 meter. Okay. So what will happen? 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 10 into 10. Okay, so what will happen? 10 and 10 gets cancelled. 7 one times, 7 three times, 3 twos are 6, 6 into 22, 132 square meter. 132 square meter inner surface area of the well. Now they're saying the same surface has to be plastered from inside. Find the cost of plastering from inside at the rate of rupees 52 per square meter. See, what is that? Area to be plastered, rate of plastering. Rate of plastering. Plastering cement, पेंटिंग की जगह में सीमेंट लगा रहे हैं पूरा वेल का अंदर, तो कौन सा सरफेस को सीमेंट लगाएंगे? ओनली कर्व सरफेस को। बेस का, वेल का बेस में से स्प्रिंग रहता है, पानी आता है, आप उसको कभी प्लास्टर नहीं करेंगे। ओके, सो रेट ऑफ प्लास्टरिंग equal rupees, how much is children? They're giving it as rupees 52 per square meter, per square meter. So cost of plastering, therefore cost of plastering equal cost of plastering should be area plastering. Cost of plastering, sorry children, cost of plastering will be area plastered equal area plastered into rate. Into rate. Now, area plastered is the curved surface of the well. Curved surface कितना है बेटा? 132. 132 into 52. 52 is rupees 52 per square meter. So 132 ko when you multiply by 52, how much you get? 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 plus 1, 16. 5 ones are 5, 6. So when I multiply, please have a look here. 4, 6, 6,000 rupees, 6,864. Okay, this is the answer for it. This is the answer.